is the past perfect continuous tense. Usage of past perfect continuous. First is duration of a past action. The main use of the past perfect continuous is to express actions or situations that were in progress before some other actions or situation. See example, the boys had been quarreling. The boys had been quarreling for half an hour when we arrived home. When we arrived home, the boys had been quarreling. See next, use showing cause. Use this tense to show cause of an action or situation in the past. See example, the road was wet because it had been raining. Because it had been raining. Cause the road was wet. Okay. See third, use reported speech. This tense also appears in reported speech. See example, she said she knew Charlie had been lying to her. Identification of this tense, से रहा था, से रही थी, से रहे थे, etc. are found in the end of words in Hindi sentences. Sentence structure. Sentence structure. Affirmative sentence. Subject had plus been plus verb first form plus ing object since for plus time phrase. बेटा ये affirmative sentence है, उसकी structure है. See example, you had been subject first, after that helping verb, फिर उसके बाद बेटे been. Had been एक साथ आएगा ये. Had been reading the newspaper since morning. See negative sentence. Subject had not been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for plus time three. See example, you had not been. You had not been. Had और been के बीच में बेटे नोट आ जाए. You had not been reading the newspaper since morning. Okay. Third is interrogative sentence. Had helping verb first come. Had plus subject, been verb first form plus ing plus object since for plus time phrase. See example, had helping verb बेटे सबसे पहले आ रही had. After that subject. Had you been reading the newspaper since morning? Okay. WH questions. WH word plus had plus subject plus been verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for plus time phrase. See example, what had you been reading since morning? What had you been reading since morning? You can give the answer, you had been reading the newspaper since morning. Okay. See mind map. Past tense. First, simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Simple past. Identification of simple past: a, e, या, था, था, थी, थे. Verb second form and did plus verbs first form. Past continuous, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Helping verb was and were. Main verb verb first form plus ing. Past perfect tense, चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, लिया था, ली थी, लिए थे. Had plus verb helping verb had plus verbs third form. Main verb verbs third form. Okay. Past perfect continuous tense is identification of past perfect continuous tense. से रहा था, से रही थी, से गई थी. Helping verb had been. Main verb verb first form plus ing. You have to make a mind map and you have to write in fair note.